We're at 8 Adventures Base Camp in Mae Tang, north of Chiang Mai, and yeah, we just got out of the river after a great whitewater rafting experience.
I enjoyed being outdoors. The river was beautiful with the water and being around the fun guides and just the thrill of going down the whitewater rapids.
The river progressed from a very steep valley with jungle hanging over the water into views of the coffee fields and elephant camps.
I think the safety on the rafting trip was outstanding. Some of the best safety I've seen on any rafting trip I've ever done. They were professional, efficient, and there was multiple people around to either throw lines or be with separate rafts coming with you.
I thought our guide was very funny and very professional. He communicated very clearly in English, and I felt very safe in our raft.
The van was great, and the drive up here was fantastic into the jungle. The farther you got up, the more jungly it got. The lunch was huge, tasty, and well presented, and the staff was very courteous and well trained. The scenery was beautiful. It's in a tight valley with jungle coming all the way down and mountains in the background. And the water was clear. It was beautiful. I had a tremendous amount of fun at 8 Adventures, and the rafting was fantastic.
I had a lot of fun. I would definitely be bringing my friends here in the future, and I would love to share this experience with more people.